Problem 14. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Okay. 10 కి 250 కి మధ్యలో ఎన్ని నంబర్స్ 4 మల్టిపుల్స్ ఉంటాయి? ఎన్ని 4 మల్టిపుల్స్ ఉంటాయి 10 కి 250 కి మధ్యలో? సో 10 is it multiple of 4? No. Next number is 11. Is it multiple of 4? No. Next number is 12. So 12 is the multiple of 4. So the first number is 12. 12. From the given information, first multiple is 12. So next 16, next 20, so on. 250. Is it a multiple of 4? No, because 50. Check last 2 digits. 50 is not divisible by 4. Next before number is 49. 49 also not divisible by 4. So next before number is 48. 248. 248 is divisible by 4 because by divisible rule of 4, check the last 2 digits. 4 ones, 4 12. So it is divisible by 4. 248 is divisible by 4. So 248. This is a multiple of 4. Okay. So how many are there? How many multiples of A1? A1 equals to 12. A2 equals to 16. A3 equals to 20. So on. An equals to 248. So A2 minus A1. First check, is it arithmetic progression or not? If the arithmetic progression అవుతుందో లేదో చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. So A2 minus A1 equals to 16 minus 12. That is 4. Next. Check next A3 minus A2. A3 value how much? 20. A2 value 16. So 20 minus 16 also 4. See the difference between these two terms is same. So A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. A2 minus A1 value, A3 minus A2 value same వచ్చింది కాబట్టి so the given information is in AP. The given information is in AP. So AP lo what is the common difference? D equals to A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2? A2 minus A1. So A2 minus A1 value how much? 4. Okay. Now and An also, what is the value of An? An equals to 248. Now we will find the value of N. How many terms? How many terms is nothing but N. So An is nothing but A plus N minus 1 into D equals to 248. So here A value, A is nothing but A1. How much? 12. 12. So A1 is 12 plus N minus 1. D is 4. Common difference is 4 equals to 248. So N minus 1 times 4 equals to 248. 12 transpose to right side minus 12. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 3. 236. So N minus 1 into 4. So N minus 1 equals to 236. 4 transpose right side divided by 4. So how many times 4? 5 is that 20. 4 9 is that 36. 36 times 4 30. So 4 59 times. So N minus 1 equals to 59. N equals to 59 minus 1 transpose right side plus 1. So 59 plus 1 is 60. So the value of N is 60. So number of multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250 is 60. Therefore, number of multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250 are how many? 60.